amazing. It feels like you're flying, like it goes completely silent and you're like an airplane.
I need a high five.
Oh,
That's
yeah, for sure.
like probably it's by far the most fun thing I've ever tried on water. It's surreal.
That's a big call.
It's so addictive.
It was amazing. I wasn't expecting it to be this easy.
I mean, you really do feel like you are flying and just floating above the water.
Wow.
And we've just converted a lot of people that have tried the electric foils and weren't big fans. And after doing it now, it's everybody wants one. You know, everybody that's tried it wants to buy it. The board speaks for itself.
Yeah.
We need a whole bunch of these.
Up in the air, it feels like you're flying because there's no sound. It's like so totally peaceful.
I just want to go on record and say that that is probably the most incredible thing I've ever tried.